Huh? Oh, mission? Let's see what's inside. New year, new mission. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to unbox the ultimate tool. It's designed for modern businesses, so be careful. There's a power cable, a USB cable, and a user guide. That's always helpful. And a starter roll of labels. Wow! Everything you need, neatly packed and ready to go. Now it's time to activate it. Let's open the label printer first, like this. Just push, open, and let's put the label roll like this. And close. That was so easy, right? Now we have two cables over here. One is a power cable to turn on the printer, and the other is a USB cable to connect to the device. Now, let's connect the printer to my device. And look at that! Fast, smooth, and hassle-free. My mission is accomplished already. Another mission? Okay, challenge accepted. Mission 2. Deliver the printer to someone who needs it. Whether it's printing customer receipts or barcode labels for inventory, this printer is built to handle hectic, fast-paced businesses like supermarkets. Thank you. At coffee shops, it prints accurate and professional receipts to ensure transaction runs smoothly. Luggage delivery? Okay, what room number? Okay. Hotels use it for guest folio receipts or printing luggage tags, keeping operations efficient and ensuring every guest's needs are met without delay. Mounted on the wall, it stays out of the way while printing kitchen order tickets seamlessly. It helps keep everything organized and efficient, exactly what the chef needs during peak hours. Mission accomplished. G&G, you have outdone yourself. This mighty powerhouse is truly a part of your business success. How about you? Are you ready to take on the mission? Grab yours now. Click on these links and see you next time.
You need a G&G Penguin cartridge.